Sandeep Maheshwari was born on the 28th of September 1980. He is the founder, CEO of ImagesBazaar.com and is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in India. He organizes free seminars for young minds and also uploads videos on YouTube without earning single money from these videos and providing his valuable knowledge throughout India. Sandeep Maheshwari is an inspiration for all of us who want to achieve success. His videos are really motivating and inspiring. Here are the best life-changing quotes from Sandeep Maheshwari for a dose of motivation. Smile to change the world, don't let the world change your smile. If you are searching for that person who will change your life, take a look in the mirror. Success always hugs you in private, but failure always slaps you in the public. That's life. You might have failed, but you're not a failure until you give up. What people think about you is not important. What you think about yourself means everything. Learn to control your thought or your thoughts will control you. Don't be too serious about what you think. It's just a point of view. Stop criticizing yourself for your failures. Start appreciating yourself for your achievements. Always remember, you are bigger than your problems. Never be afraid to do what you love. You have to be powerful, not because you can beat others, but you have to be powerful for not to get beaten by others. Education is not just about gathering knowledge, but more so about learning how to think. The ability to detach yourself from your thoughts is your ticket to freedom. Life is waiting for you, give your best shot. Success comes from experiences, experiences come from bad experiences. Stop doubting yourself, work hard, make it happen. The moment you start valuing yourself, the world will start valuing you. If you really want to be successful, stop worrying about what you can get and start focusing on what you can do. If you have more than you need, simply share it with those who need it most. To act out of desire is bondage. To act out of love is freedom. Acceptance of what it is happiness. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. The illusion of luck disappears when we start seeing things as they actually are. The man was designed for accomplishment, engineered for success, or endowed with the seeds of greatness. You are the answer to all your questions. There you can learn a lot of things about how to handle the difficult situation by your intelligence and how you can achieve your goal by hard yourself confident. Any work you put in 100%, then you'll be successful. When you want to do the thing that nobody did till now, once this desire comes from your heart, then you don't have to do anything. That desire will do anything by using your body. The law of attraction is not magic, you must take an appropriate action in the right direction to reach your goal. Be powerful not to dominate others, but to conquer yourself. Countless careers options are available for those who are smart enough to understand the meaning of smart work. Where there is love, there is no fear. Wisdom is directly proportional to your power to overcome the failures and setbacks in life. If the whole world says it is due to palm lines that my fate is bad, then why can't I change my palm lines? Positive thinking is not about expecting the best to happen. It's about accepting that whatever happens, happens for the best. The eye you see the world, this is the way you will see all around the world. Nothing is bigger than love. Make your problems adventures and achieve greatness in every situation in life. The person who knows everything about why and what am I doing and how to do it, then nobody can stop him. Whenever you feel lonely, start enjoying the company of the most wonderful person on this earth, you. Say good, listen good, look good. The only way to clear your mind is to stay grounded in reality. Acting without thinking and thinking without actions will give you 100% failure. The person who has changed his habit, he will change tomorrow, and the person who could not change their habit with him tomorrow will be what is happening already and will happen. First, you have to complete your own commitment. If you are not able to complete your own commitment, then how can you complete those commitments that you have given to others? If you are not afraid of losing, nobody can ever beat you. Meditation should not be torture. It must be fun. Start small. 5 to 10 minutes a day is a great start. I am inspired by those who have the courage to do things have never been done before, things that were believed to be impossible. All my life, I have been a failure. A failure when I dropped out of college. A failure when I started my career. A failure when I wrote a book. A failure when my business closed down, but a failure to others, not to myself. And you can also turn your failures into success, just like I did. Love is not a temporary feeling or emotion. Emotion and feeling change, sometimes daily. But true unconditional love is everlasting. What you think about yourself matters more than what others think about you. The most important thing to be happy about in this world is that you're alive. Not 1,000. Find one big reason to do what you really want. That's enough. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.